things base and vile, holding no quantity. Love can transpose to from and dignity. Love looks not with the eyes, but with mind. A Midsummer Night's Dream 1.1。
卑贱和劣行在爱情看来都不算数，都可以被转化成美满和庄严。爱情不用眼睛辨别，而是用心灵来判断。爱用的不是眼睛，而是心。仲夏夜之梦。
Lord, what fools these mortals be. A Midsummer Night's Dream 3.2。
上帝呀，这些凡人怎么都是十足的傻瓜。仲夏夜之梦。
The lunatic, the lover and the poet are of imagination all compact. A Midsummer Night's Dream 5.1。
疯子、情人、诗人都是想象的产儿。仲夏夜之梦。
Since the little wit that fools had was silent geek, the little foolery that wise men had makes a great show. As you like it 1.2。
自从傻子小小的聪明被压制的无声无息，聪明人小小的傻气显得更吸引眼球了。皆大欢喜世界是一个舞台，所有的男女不过是一些演员，他们都有下场的时候，也都有上场的时候。一个人的一生中扮演着好几个角色，皆大欢喜。
Beauty provokes thieves sooner than gold. As you like it 1.3。
美貌比金银更容易引起歹心，皆大欢喜。
Sweet are the uses of adversity. As you like it 2.1。
逆境和厄运自有妙处，皆大欢喜。
Do you not know I am a woman when I think I must speak? As you like it 3.2。
你难道不知道我是女人，我心里想什么就会说出来，皆大欢喜。
Love is merely a madness. As you like it 3.2。
爱情不过是一种疯狂，皆大欢喜。
Oh, how bitter a thing it is to look into happiness through another man's eyes. As you like it。
哀从别人的眼中看到幸福，自己真有说不出的酸楚，皆大欢喜。
It is a wise father that knows his own child. A Merchant of Venice 2.2。
知子之父为智，威尼斯商人。
Love is blind and lovers cannot see the pretty follies that themselves commit. A Merchant of Venice 2.6。
爱情是盲目的，恋人们看不到自己做的傻事。威尼斯商人。
All that glisters is not gold. A Merchant of Venice 2.7。
闪光的并不都是金子。威尼斯商人。
So is the will of a living daughter curbed by the will of a dead father. A Merchant of Venice 1.2。
一个活生生的女人的意愿，却被过世的父亲的遗嘱所限。威尼斯商人外观往往和事物的本身完全不符，世人都容易为表面的装饰所欺骗。威尼斯商人没有比较，就显不出长处， 没有欣赏的人，乌鸦的歌声也就和云雀一样。要是夜莺在白天砸在瓜噪里歌唱，人家绝不以为它比鹪鹩唱得更美。多少事情因为逢到有利的环境，才能达到尽善的境界，博得一生恰当的赞赏。威尼斯商人
The quality of mercy is not strained. A Merchant of Venice 4.1.
慈悲不是出于勉强。威尼斯商人
Some rise by sin, and some by virtue fall. Measure for measure 2.1.
有些人因罪恶而升天，有些人因德行而没落。一报还一报。
Oh, it is excellent to have a giant as strength, but it is tyrannous to use it like a giant. Measure for measure 2.1.
有巨人的力量固然好，但像巨人那样滥用力量就是一种残暴行为。一报还一报。
I will pray 1,000 prayers for thy death, but no word to save thee. Measure for measure 3.1.
我要千遍祷告让你死，也不祈求一字救你命。一报还一报。
Oh, what may man within him hide, though angel on the outward side? Measure for measure 3.2.
哀，一个人外表可以装得像天使，但却可能把自己掩藏在内心深处。一报还一报。
Beauty, wit, high birth, vigor of bone, desert in service, love, friendship, charity, are subjects all to envious and calumniating time. Troilus and Cressida 3.3.
美貌智慧门第地利，事业爱情友谊和仁慈，都必须听命于妒忌而无情的时间。特洛伊罗斯与克瑞西达
You gods divine, make Cressida's name the very crown of falsehood, if ever she leave Troilus. Troilus and Cressida 4.2.
神明啊，要是有一天克瑞西达背叛特罗里斯，那么就让他的名字永远被人唾骂吧。特洛伊罗斯与克瑞西达
Beauty, where is thy faith? Troilus and Cressida 5.2.
美貌，你的真诚在何方？特洛伊罗斯与克瑞西达
Take but degree away, and tune that string, and, hark, what discord follows. Troilus and Cressida 1.3.
没有了纪律，就像琴弦崩断。